Welcome to C++ tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we are going to start with our first Hello World program. Today's learning motto: you can learn something new every day if you are ready to listen. In this particular video, we are going to learn the syntax and then we are going to construct our first Hello World program. Here you can see the program which is used to print Hello World. Now we are going to just divide this code and try to understand. First line is hash include IOStream. All C++ program must begin with include statement starting with a hash symbol. That hash symbol is known as preprocessor directive, which give instruction to the compiler to process the information before actual compilation starts. So it is called preprocessor directive. IOStream is a header file library that is used to define cout, cin object which correspond to standard output stream, standard input stream. And second line is using namespace std. By definition, a namespace is a declarative region that provides scope to the identifier. But in simple words, namespace are used to organize code into a logical group. Especially, it is used to prevent name collision when our code include multiple library. Using namespace std means we use the namespace named std. Std is an abbreviation for standard. So that means we use all the things within std namespace. If we don't want to use this line of code, we can use like std colon c out. We'll see this thing in later tutorial also. Third line is int main bracket. Every C++ program must have a main function. The main function is the starting point for all C++ program where it begins their execution. The statements between the curly braces are known as block of code. Inside that C out hello world. COUT. It should be pronounced like C out. Cout is an object used together with two lesser than operator to print text. In our example, it will print hello. Every C++ statement must end with a semicolon. Then return statement, which is used to return the value that we specified in this function. We have mentioned the type of this main function as integer, integer. So it must return an integer. Then we should not forget to add the curly braces which ends the main function. Here the output is hello. Thank you. Hope you understand the main structure and syntax of the C++ program. By having this small amount of knowledge on the basic, we can learn some more concept and try to some more programs in the upcoming tutorial. In the next video, we are going to deal with variables and data types, which is the main concept for any programming language. Thank you.